Tasha? Tasha, you not coming to eat? Huh? Beg your pardon? But if you don't what? If you don't answer me, mind me beat you, Tasha. Are you coming for your dinner?
Really, Grandma? You're going to act up that much where you would even beat a doll?
Stop talking foolishness, right? It's real.
It's a doll.
It's real.
Doll.
A real thing this.
It's a doll. It can't even blink.
When we're done with her, me coming after you, Leroy.
Seriously, can't you tell it that's a doll?
I said, listen to me. When me call you, do you want dinner? You're too rude. You're too rude. You're too rude.
What's going on, beautiful faces? Now this video was requested by, I have no idea who requested this video. Two requests I get the most. The one about disciplining your kids and another one about the Illuminati. And of course, growing up in a Jamaican home, we knew a lot about getting beats. You spill your water, you get beats. You stub your toe and you get beat. Of course, it's good to discipline your child. But how are you going to call it discipline when you're literally blocking up your child in anger? Where they take up the belt buckle or the wire hanger or any other item like the PS3, talking about this is hurting me more than it hurts you. This is not Smash Brothers with the home run bat. We have like this big adult obliterating this tiny little kid. Discipline is one thing, people, but letting loose in a fit of anger, is that discipline? I'm just saying, people. And I know sometimes kids can act disgusting and disrespectful, especially in public places.
I want to sit by myself, but you won't let me sit by myself.
No, you sit where me is.
I don't like sitting next to you. You're embarrassing and shameful. I don't like sitting next to you.
You need to stop now.
I'm gonna sit somewhere
You need
else.
to stop now.
And sometimes it takes a lot to keep your composure. But here's a trick. If you want to know if someone is really Jamaican, get their child to act up in public and see what happens.
Calm down. And
I'll punch your face out.
punch me that Dre. I told him I know I'm gonna go prison for you. I told him I know I'm gonna go jail for you today. Hey boy, you're joking.
Sooner or later, the Pato accent will come out, people. Now, I'm not telling you how to discipline your kids. All I'm saying is that make sure what you're doing is discipline and you're not just venting your anger. Beating is not the only form of discipline.
No, you must beat them so they learn. You know, people always tell me, say, Grandma, you play too much video game. That's why you love beat people so much. No, but it is fun. And how else am I supposed to stay looking young and sexy? I'm just saying, people.
Anyways, guys, with all that said and done, I have a question for you people out there. What's the dumbest thing you got beats for? Seriously, can you remember a time when you got beats for a dumb reason? Let me know all your thoughts and comments down in the boombox, people. And for you people who never got beats, see if you can get this week's riddle. So guys, if you think you know the answer, also leave that in the boombox. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And yeah, and see you guys next week. I'm Leroy Sedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. I'm out. Only beat you to a particular rhythm.
What did I say about not doing your homework before you watch TV? Tasha.